faith. So please kindly back a few minutes to join our participants. Within few minutes, we will start the program. Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Dr. Milan.
It's good. Good. I can hear you. I still cannot see myself, but I hope you can see me. I'm not that important.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Good morning,
no.
sir. We can hear you.
We can
That's
see
good.
you and hear you both, Dr. Milan.
Okay, I just want to go to settings. Maybe I'll try to, instead of Inam, I should put my name actually. I'll try to do that. Okay, all good. Good luck.
Okay,
Okay, I go out and I will be ready.
good. Good morning, Dr. Mani.
Hello.
Yes. Good
Yes.
morning.
Sir, good morning. Good morning. Manu, sir, good morning.
Good morning.
Phone correct hai.
Good morning to all. Behalf of PIC team, we are heartily welcome to all chief guests and participants. Now, Kuthuvilaku will be lightening through ritual mode.
தமிழ்தாய் வாய்ப்போம்.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठिद्गृहे दीपः
Now, I request our honorable co-patron, Dr. K. Mani, to give welcome address.
Good morning to one and all. Panimalar Engineering College is organizing a 2 days international conference for phonics on emerging current trends in engineering and management. Yes, we all know that this is one of the platform for all the academicians, research scholars, and industry people to present their innovative ideas. So based on the comments given by the experts during their presentation, which will surely help them to move forward in their research work. So on this important day, it gives me pleasure to welcome our secretary and correspondent, Dr. P. Chanadurai, and our directors, Srimati C. Vijay Rajeswari and Dr. C. Satyakumar and Sanyasri Satyakumar. And it gives me pleasure to welcome our chief guest, Dr. Menu K. Vara, Chairman and President, Business Excellence, USA. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
And it gives me pleasure to welcome Dr. Milan Simic, Professor, University Union Nikola Tesla, Belgrade, Serbia. We welcome you, sir.
Good
I am-
morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir. We welcome you, sir. And it gives me pleasure to welcome the speakers of the 2 days program conference, Dr. Vijendra Singh, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Allahabad, Dr. Ajay Kumar Khan, Mizoram University, Mizoram, Dr. M. Ramakrishnan, Madurai Kamarajar University, Madurai, Dr. Abhishek Kumar Jain, deemed to be University, Dr. Kurmentra, Rajiv Gandhi University, Itanagar, Dr. N.P. Muthuselvam, SSN College of Engineering, Chennai, Dr. S. Nirmala Devi, Anna University, Chennai, Dr. R. Kannation, Savida School of Engineering, Chennai, Dr. N. Nityanandam, and Dr. R. Murugan, and Dr. S. Deva from Panimala Institute of Technology, Chennai, and Dr. N. Venkateshwaran, Panimala Engineering College, Chennai. And I am happy to welcome all the participants of this today's conference and all research scholars and industry people for this 2 days conference. I hope that this 2 days conference will help you in your research area to move further with the comments of the expert people. So wish you all a great success. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now let me see Team 2K21 flash.
Spec Team 2K21. Spec Team organizes 2 conferences. International Conference on Intelligent Computing. Iconic. Phoenixes on emerging current trends in materials, manufacturing, management practices and construction technologies. ICMAT. Call for papers. Received papers 391. Accepted papers 135. Rejected papers 256. Acceptance ratio 34%. All registered and presented papers will be published in Advances in Parallel Computing iOS Press and Integrating Immersive Technology in Digital Learning Wiley.
Now, I request our Dr. V.V. Ambedkumar, co-convener, to talk about our conference.
Good morning, one and all. The International Conference for Phoenix on Emerging Current Trends in Engineering and Management, organized by Panimalar Engineering College, virtually with supported of CSI, ICT Act, ISTE, and IETE, and technically sponsored by IEEE Madras Chapter, held on March 26 and 27, 2021 in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, has exceeded its work lucratively. It has been explicit structured to concrete international research community for presenting their meticulous work and have the proper insight into momentous challenges in engineering and management research. PECTEAM 2K21 organized two conferences, International Conference on Intelligent Computing and International Conference for Phoenix on Emerging Current Trends in Material, Manufacturing, Management Practices, and Construction Technologies. PECTEAM 2K21 have 19 sessions spread out over the 2 days, 26 and 27, through online mode with expert keynote addresses and interactive discussions. In this pandemic situation, more than 300 participants from the various universities and institutions across the country have been selected to register and present the paper through online mode in this conference. The experts and resource persons were invited from the several disciplines who have sound knowledge in the field of engineering and management. The conference is fortunate to attract a high interest among the community, and it has received 391 submissions from the various institutions in different domains, all over India and abroad. The submitted paper were peer reviewed by the external reviewers and advisory board based on the subject of interest and selected on the basis of the originality, clarity, and significance in the line with the theme of the conference. Subsequently, 135 papers are selected from the presentation and publication in the Advances in Parallel Computing, IOS Press, and Integrating Emerging Technology in Digital Learning, Wiley, which are indexed in the Scopus, and also in Journal of Emerging Technology and Innovative Research. It is guaranteed that the PECTEAM 2K21 will be high quality program graced by an unparalleled number of the professional speakers from the multidisciplinary fields, both from the India and abroad. In a nutshell, a conference promises to transit a new unprecedented level of excellence. It is a milestone that one would not dare to miss this virtually. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, I request Dr. S. Malati, convener, PECTEAM, to facilitate the dignitaries.
Once again, on behalf of Panimalar Engineering College, I welcome all the dignitaries on and off the dais for the PECTEAM 2K21, which organizes two conferences, ICONIC and PEC MACT. Moving on to the felicitations. First, Dr. Manu K. Ora, PhD. You are an essential part of PECTEAM 2K21 and an instigator of technical thought. Very warm welcome from Panimalar dignitaries, sir. Here comes a bouquet and a motto for you, sir. Next, Dr. Milan Simic, PhD. Every thought you produce, anything you say, any action you do, it bears your signature. Welcome to Panimalar for the special occasion of PECTEAM 2K21. Here it's for you, the bouquet and motto, sir. Next to our other dignitaries, the Great Wall of Panimalar. Our secretary and correspondent, Dr. P. Chinnadure, MA, PhD. His own ideas and energy compel things to turn out as he desires. Big team organizers wholeheartedly welcomes you for this conference. Here is a small token of gratitude with a bouquet, sir. Felicitation to our directors. They are the visionary leaders of Panimala. Their intellectualism and perception of life gives us an inspiration for Big Team 2K21. Coordinators gives a very warm welcome to both of you, Dr. C. Shakti Kumar and Tirumati Saranyashi Shakti Kumar. A very warm welcome, sir and ma'am. Our principal, Dr. K. Mani, ME, PhD. Big Team 2K21 organizers presents a token of love to a person who always says imagination is more important than knowledge. Welcome, sir. Here is a small token of love with a bouquet, sir. Next comes all the deans and HODs of Panimala Engineering College. Dr. S. Malti, the convener of Big Team and Dean for ME Engineering. Dr. S. Mahalashmi, Dean for MBA. Dr. S. Murgavali, HOD of Computer Science. Dr. M. Helda Mercy, HOD of IT Department. Dr. P. Kannan, HOD of EC Department. Dr. S. Selvi from HOD of EEE Department, that is Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Dr. Karthikeyan from Mechanical Department, Dr. C. SKFN from Instrumentation Engineering Department, Dr. S. Maheshwari from Civil Department, and Dr. M. Manmohan from Humanities and Science. Here is a token of love with a small bouquet to all the deans and HODs on behalf of Big Team organizers. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, citation of Dr. Manu K. Ora will be given by Professor M. Sumitra.
Good morning, sir. Dr. Manu Ora is the chairman and president of a global quality management consulting firm. He has over 46 years of leadership experience and has guided Fortune 500 companies with Baldrige Performance Excellence Assessment. For over 28 years, as an adjunct professor, he teaches operations management courses at business schools globally. He has contributed at more than 8 institutes worldwide. He is a South Africa speaker on business excellence and quality management topics with over 1,100 presentations globally in 36 countries across 5 continents and published 30 scholarly articles. He has published 50 blog posts on quality management. In 2013, he gave 2 TEDx talks, TEDx IIT BHU Varanasi and TEDx IIT Chicago. Since 2013, he has delivered soft skills and quality management topics using technology to over 680 colleges, universities globally, benefiting over 900,000 students, faculty, professionals. In 2016, he delivered a project management for organizational excellence, a GYON course approved by the MHRD Government of India at his alma mater, IIT Bhubaneswar. In 2016, he was appointed a Fulbright specialist by the US Department of State and completed his first Fulbright specialist project at IIT BHU in March 2018. He has BTech honor IIT BHU Chemical Engineering in 1968, MS at 1970, and PhD at 1975 he finished in Chemical Engineering from Illinois Institute of Technology, Chicago, and MBA at 1985 with Marketing Management from Keller Graduate School of Management in Chicago. As the founder, director, and president of Blind Foundation of India, BFI, he and his team has raised over $5 million to help over 2 million visually impaired adults and children in India. He received NRI of the Year Award 2018 in philanthropy from Times Now and ICICI Bank in Mumbai, India. Dr. Vora has received 56 awards, honors for his outstanding professional service, including Fulbright Specialist Appointment from the U.S. Department of State. He received 35 awards, honors for his lifelong community service, including U.S. President's Volunteer Service Award. In 1968, he received J.N. Tata Scholarship in India to pursue his graduate work in the US.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I request our guest, Dr. Mani K. Ora, Chairman and President of Business Excellence, USA, to give special address.
Okay.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah. Good morning. Thank you so much, Ms. Sumitra. Thank you, Dr. Mani. Thank you, Dr. Ambed Kumar, for very kind invitation. And I'm going to exit full screen and begin to share my presentation at this point. And I'm very delighted to come from almost 8,000 miles away in Chicago. And and allow me to share my screen, please. And it's wonderful to see a lot of faculty and distinguished people in the conference. Kindly give me access to share the screen.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah. So the topic I have chosen in my brief remarks are create magic in the classroom for learners' engagement. And I think as a faculty, this is our obligation to make sure that the students and learners, whether they are adults or executives learning in the classroom setting, they are fully engaged so the knowledge gets transmitted. Now, the focus for my remarks revolves around three areas. First, learners' engagement. Secondly, faculty excellence. And third, importance of soft skills. So let me take you through my brief remarks. So successful learning formula for faculties and students, we need to start thinking about CEO. C stands for collaborative learning, where both students and faculty should learn in the team setting rather than individual focus only. And unfortunately, in India, we have more individual focus. Compared to that, in the Western world, we have more team focus. Secondly, E stands for experiential learning. And the learning we need to provide should be case study based as well as project based. And when we do that, we learn from the real life experiences and best in class examples from around the world. And the O stands for outcome-based learning. In the recent past, given several faculty development programs to the faculty as well as students, and I've been teaching for last 28 years, developed a very simple formula to create a reflection journal at the end of the completion of the course to ask the learners what 3 things they have learned and what 3 lessons they are going to implement when they are back at their institute or back at their companies, and how they are going to do it. I think this is extremely important because we are spending a lot of time, effort, money to train people. But if those trainings are not implemented, then it's not very fruitful and it's not very optimal. Now, over the years in my classroom, my focus is to involve my learners in learning new things. And one of the requirement is when they learn new things, they need to start applying it on a project, and they should be open to share it with the classmates. So this simple formula, involve, learn, apply, and share, is very elegant model. It got crystallized during my visit to IIT Banaras Hindu University in Varanasi, my alma mater, during my Fulbright Specialist project back in 2018. And this is the formula I've been using and very successful in engaging my students in their learning and engagement. Now I put together a very simple slide, 12 keys to the kingdom of learners' engagement to create magic in the classroom. So let me share those. So when you start the topic in the class, you can assign a student to do also have some icebreakers, topical questions at the beginning of the session. As a faculty, we should be sharing the basic concepts and principles so that students don't need to memorize anything, and do allow curiosity and innovativeness to flourish in the classroom. And when the session is over, towards the end of the session, ask all the students what are 1 or 2 key takeaways they are getting out of the session. Now, item 8 through 11 comes from the Harvard Business Publishing for engagement of the learners. So let me share those. Conduct a short poll and or have some voting in the class. You can create a small group to discuss a topic and come back and report to the full class. You can arrange for role plays. You can also form a team to work on a project for semester long. They finish the project, write up a project report, and share their findings to the rest of the class. And you can always invite guest speakers who bring the broader perspective on a given topic. And as a faculty, we must replenish our knowledge so that we are at a cutting edge and give the best to our students. And if we do that, we all get the gold star. Now, faculty excellence model, I've chosen a simple acronym which is famous in India, CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. But in this context, it is about faculty learning in a collaborative way under the guidance of the expert faculty to learn in a scientific way with lots of introspection and reflection. So if the faculty can do this, learn in a collaborative way, they can transmit that importance of teamwork and collaboration to their students, because that's what the workplace and the industry needs, teamwork, not the individuals alone. Now, here is an interesting quote. The average teacher explains complexity, but the gifted teacher reveals simplicity. Now, in Sanskrit, there are many forms of teachers. So as you begin the journey as a faculty, you are an adhyapak sharing information only. Then you become upadhyay when you add the knowledge component to it. Become acharya when you share the skills. When you share insight, you become pandit. When you provide the visionary thinking, you are drishta. And when you share your wisdom, you become the guru. So that should be the ultimate objective to reach the final position. Now, faculties educate students by engaging, energizing, entertaining, and empowering them. So we need to use all these levers to make sure that the students and learners are engaged. Then the knowledge can be transmitted well. Last item for my remarks, importance of soft skills. So if you look at the latest surveys, more than 90% of the executives, when they are looking for new hires, they value soft over the hard or technical skills. And the last bullet is very important to focus on. For the new hires, ability to work in a team is more desirable than quantitative or the analytical skills. Unfortunately, in India, the focus on soft skill is lacking. So to fill that gap, we have put together this program and delivering it for the last 8 years. So as an engineer, scientist, even business people, we do projects throughout our life. In order to do projects well, we need to focus on leadership, decision-making, time management, teamwork, which includes problem solving, and then focus on project management, which includes the risk management as well. And all these modules have a rigorous and collaborative assignments. As the introduction, it was mentioned that in the last 8 years, 9 lakh people have benefited from this program. And key comment I want to make, in the 20th century, we needed 3 critical skills: reading, writing, and arithmetic. But in the 21st century, those are given, but we need to pick up 3 additional skills: teamwork, problem solving, project management. So teamwork, problem solving, and project management are extremely critical skills to be competitive in the global arena. Now, in this short presentation, remember, you need to write down your commitment for engagement, what you took out of this short module. And with that, I want to conclude my remarks, and I want to thank the organizers of the committee putting together this wonderful program. And it's my delight to share a few thoughts. So I'll stop sharing at this point. And thank you for a very kind invitation to be with all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now, the proceeding release event will be in the virtual mode for both Iconic 2K21 and PicMac 2K21. Now we will now the citation of Dr. Milan Smith will be given by Professor Dr. Lata. Dr. Milan Smith has PhD, Master and Bachelor in Electronic Engineering from the University of Niš, Serbia, as well as Graduate Diploma in Education from the RMIT University, Melbourne, Australia. He has comprehensive experience from industry, working in Honeywell Information Systems, Research Institute and Academia in Europe and Australia. He has few industry and academic awards for his research. Dr. Milan Smith is currently with RMIT University, Melbourne, Australia, School of Engineering, and he is also General Editor in KES Journal and Professor in University Union Nikola Tesla, Belgrade, Serbia, and also acting as Adjunct Professor, KIIT University, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, India, Associate Director, Australia-India Research Center for Automation Software Engineering. Dr. Smith has a multidisciplinary research, teaching, and work expertise in the following areas: automotive electronics, biomedical engineering, robotics, physical networks, information coding, green energy, and autonomous systems, as well as in engineering, management, and in education. He has developed a large number of engineering and management courses and programs in industry and academia in Serbia and in Australia. Dr. Smith has founded and managed RMIT Engineering Cisco Local Network Academy. He has initiated RMIT SAG collaboration and has established a hub in his mechatronics lab for the research and PLC technology education. In June 2015, Dr. Smith's research team won an international award in Germany for the development of fast 3D metal printing technology. The award is presented to new innovatives and startup businesses across the world by Robert Boss Venture Capital. Research partner company is now producing 3D printers in Melbourne, Australia. On Google Scholar, Dr. Sumit has citation of 1505 and H index of 16 and I-10 index of 29. As a KES Silver member and KES Journal General Editor, Dr. Sumit has strong international collaboration and impact while processing around 400 papers per year with the support of more than 80 associate editors in his team and more than 800 reviewers. Knowledge Engineering System is a worldwide association involving about 5,000 professionals, engineers, academics, students, and managers.
Thank you, ma'am. Warm welcome to you, sir. Now I request our guest, Dr. Milan Simic, University Union Nicola, Serbia, Melbourne, Australia, to give special address.
Good morning, everyone, and good day. And in Australia, we say good day. That's how we say. So, and probably good night for some people, because I know this is international conference and we are all around the world. So, dear all and respected all, it is my honor and a pleasure to be invited as chief guest at the 4th International Conference for Phoenix on emerging current trends in engineering and management, PEC Team 2K21 at the Penny Malar Engineering College, Chennai, India. I sincerely wish both conferences, under PEC Team 2K21, to be successful and inspiring to all participants. In particular, I wish the 4th International Conference on Intelligent Computing, ICONIC, and the 4th International Conference of Phoenix on Emerging Current Trends in Material Manufacturing and Management, Practices and Construction Technologies, PECMAC, to be extremely successful and continue to be a wide platform for collaboration among the global experts from academia, industry, and the government. I thank the organizers for the great conference program that will be realized during these 2 days. I know it will be very quality program because you rejected more papers than you accepted, actually. And I'm happy to be part of this exciting event. I look forward to exchange innovative ideas from Serbia, Australia, and India. I also look forward to further collaboration, especially between Business Excellence INC USA and Penny Malan Engineering College, Chennai, India, and other participants. The whole world is now united in fighting the invisible enemy. World Health Organization, health organizations around the globe, scientists in medicine, biology, and all other disciplines are collaboratively working around the clock in order to protect mankind. Together with medical profession, governments, management, and engineering, science, and technology play an important role in this common effort. We see how management is important because some governments around the world did not manage this problem properly and some did. I must say proudly that Serbian government is managing quite well. I am not against the pro-governments, but Serbian government, among few other, are doing great. And I know that you produce a vaccine in India, which is another great effort. So I'm very proud of Serbia and India as well. We hope that we will win this battle during this year. We hope so, definitely this and next year. Of course, there are many other world challenges in engineering and in management. Other global change is global warming. We don't talk about that right now, but just last year in January, we had big fire in Australia and the smoke was going around the world. So all the world was affected and there are big fires around the world all the time. So apart from global warming, now we have some ice melting from the pole. Then what are the other challenges, tasks like managing transition to green transportation, to electrical vehicles or hybrid or electrical at the end of the day, to autonomous vehicles. Do we want autonomous or not? Then extremely important for all of us and for the people here at the conference, application of artificial intelligence everywhere, from healthcare to manufacturing. It's everywhere. Question is, do we want real intelligence like us or artificial? Why should something artificial be better than something normal? Hopefully, we will be always better than artificial intelligence, but we did that. This is, in addition to many other challenges, why PECTIN 2K21 is organized. In the last century, I was an electronic engineering student at the University of Niš, Serbia. In addition to electronics, by the way, Constantine the Great, who endorsed Christianity, was born in the same place. So me and Constantine. In addition to electronics, we had a subject called operating systems, and I had computer networking as well. And I was so happy when I learned that Telnet protocol enables you to connect to remote computer and start your own process the same as you were sitting physically there. This is amazing. Now, thanks to TCP/IP, we are able to transfer large number of activities online and continue without any interruption. My university in Serbia and in Australia, it took us 1 week to shift everything online. We were ready, but we didn't use everything online. Then we shifted easily. So I would say online instead of virtual, because online is a real business. It's not virtual, and we do everything online now. I mean, most of the stuff. In the future, I hope that we will have hybrid conferences like now, face-to-face and online, so that participants around the globe can attend either way. I was in India 2 years ago. I enjoyed your food and chilies and everything. But now this is virtual. I hope the next year we will see each other face-to-face. I'm again sending best wishes for the conference, for the success of the conference, from Melbourne, Australia, from Belgrade, Serbia, and of course, from Bhubaneswar, India. I belong everywhere, not virtually, physically. I just need to travel. I belong to all those places and universities. I'm extremely happy that I am with you today. Now, before finishing, I would like to say thank you for organizers inviting me. Thank you to Professor Kumar especially, and big thank you to my great friend, Professor Lakshmi Jain, for suggesting my name to be included and to be part of this conference. Thank you all.
Thank you so much for your inspirational speech, sir.
Thank you.
Small guidelines we are given to our participants who will give their presentations today. Only 2 minutes it will take, sir. Authors are asked to join in the given link before 5 minutes, which is sent already to your mails, and wait for your turn with the patient. When your turn will come, the coordinator allow you to present. So the presentation should be for 5 minutes. The questionnaire session will be taken for 2 minutes. Participants, please be patient. Thank you. We welcome our honorable session chairs, speakers.
Dr. Jijendra V. Temburna, Assistant Professor and Head, IIT Nagpur. Dr. Ajay Kumar Khan, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Computer Science, Mizoram University, Mizoram. Dr. C. Jayakumar, Professor, SPCE, Chennai. Dr. E. Arul, Assistant Professor, Coimbatore Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. Dr. O. Subhashini, Professor and Head, Department of IT, Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. Dr. Geeta, Associate Professor, CSE, SRM Institute of Science and Technology. R. Venkatesan, Dr. R. Venkatesan, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE. Dr. M. Chenbagavalli, Associate Professor, IT, Alliance University. Dr. C. Reni Robin, Professor and Dean, Sairam Group of Institutions. Dr. R. Ramalakshmi, Associate Professor, IT, Alliance University. Dr. Abhishek Kumar, Assistant Professor, CSE, Jain University. Dr. G. Parthasarathi, Associate Professor, School of Computing and IT, Reva University, Bangalore. Dr. K. Venkatesan, Professor, CSE, Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kobarkhan, Maharashtra. Dr. J. Arulvalan, Assistant Professor, National Institute of Technology, Nagaland. Thank you, sir. Next comes Appreciation Awards. Coordinator ECE Department. Coordinator of EEE. A&IE. Mechanical. Of MBA. MBA.
With this, the inauguration gets ends. I request all the authors to join the corresponding link for the paper presentation. Thank you all the dignitaries for joining the inauguration and also the principal and other HODs and deans. Thank you all.
Participants, already we sent a link to your mail ID. So please kindly join in that mail ID before 5 minutes. Twenty 20.
Welcome to International Conference for Phoenixes on Emerging Current Trends in Engineering and Management. PEC 2018 a preview. Now a glimpse of PEC Team 2019. PEC Team 2019. PEC Team organizes 2 conferences. Emerging Current Trends in Computing and Expert Technology, COMET. Phoenixes on Emerging Current Trends in Materials, Manufacturing, Management Practices and Construction Technologies, ICMAT. Call for papers. PEC Team received papers 630. PEC Team accepted papers 247. PEC Team rejected papers 383. Acceptance ratio 39%. All presented papers in PEC Team will be published in Springer Lecture Notes on Data Engineering and Communications Technologies, or Journal of Emerging Technologies and Innovative Research. Tracks in COMET. Computer Science and Engineering. Information Technology. Electronics and Communication Engineering. Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Trax Impact Mat. Mechanical Engineering. Civil Engineering. Master of Business Administration. Welcome to International Conference for Phoenixes on Emerging Current Trends in Engineering and Management. PEC Team 2018 a preview.